comes to global markets throwing out curveballs to investors, 2020 has just lobbed out one spinner after the other. The coronavirus pandemic has swept the globe, halting trade for many companies without warning and throwing markets into disarray. And it all happened so fast. 2020 has been the year unexpected. Those words penned by Daniel Kibble, the founder of CMTrading, and he shares his insights into what the investment landscape has revealed this year. Daniel, welcome to the Weekend View firstly.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Udo. How are you? Really good to be here.
I'll tell you what I'm not is heavily invested in gold, because if I were, I'd be sitting pretty at the moment. How do we explain that in all the mess that we've seen in the marketplace?
I think you just hit the nail on the head. You said in the mess that is in the world marketplace. And when the world is a mess, people look for what is called safe havens. And safe haven, the ultimate safe haven, is gold. So people don't know where to invest, putting their money in gold. And what you're seeing is this unbelievable rise in gold, what we're now at about well over 2050.
So basically, any investor and trader, hold on to what you've got and buy more?
Oh, I don't give advice like that. I wouldn't know. I think it's a tough time to invest in gold because of the huge rise. Yeah. Certainly, gold has been a very popular at CMTrading. A lot of our traders are taking gold positions and they're buying gold. And a lot of people are making a really nice sum, extra salaries, plus on it in gold, no question.
The JSE has been interesting because at the start of COVID, sort of showed signs of tanking. We've just been through a week where the JSE is in the black across the year. Which sectors of investment have led to that recovery?
Well, it's very simple. It's very simple. The reason that the stock markets are going up is because of 3 or 4 major stocks in the United States. You're looking at Tesla, you're talking at Amazon, and you're talking about Alphabet, which is Google, and 1 or 2 others. And these are going through the roof, and their values relative to everything else is growing hugely. And they're basically pulling up all the stock markets in America. And because the American stock markets are going up, it's pulling everyone else up with it. How long that can last for, especially with the downturn that we've got, economic downturn we've got, I don't know.
Now post-COVID, you say that there'll still be very little appetite for investing in SA stocks and bonds because our economy is in a mess. I am curious, as a trader, what signs do you look for in eventually putting your money into South Africa? What's going to bring back the investors?
I think South Africa's going to face a very serious problem. And I say this with a heavy heart. I think looking at South Africa, if we look at the world right now, COVID is destroying economies. There's no question. There's downturn all around the world, in every country of the world. The issue is, who is going to be able to get out of this quickest? And unfortunately for South Africa, there were problems in the economy long before COVID. COVID came in and it simply exasperated the situation. I think the South African economy is going to take longer. The ripple-down effect of when things get better in America and in Europe and in other areas will probably happen before it happens in South Africa, because there's so many other issues that the South African economy is facing. And that, by the way, I think is why we have so many people looking for investment outside of South Africa now.
So it's not even a case of just fix the holes in the corruption ship and turn it around. There are so many other factors that need to be taken into consideration as well.
Without any question. I mean, before COVID, there were huge issues in South Africa in the local economy. The difficulties faced addressing those issues, and then came COVID, and it's caused unemployment. We don't even know what level of unemployment it's created in South Africa. We don't know how much it's created anywhere, because this really is an ongoing thing. So it's a problem, and people are looking for extra ways to make money, and that's through investment.
Speaking of which, and as a parting shot, you're the founder of CMTrading. I'm a broadcaster. Consumers are listening right now, and all of us are invested in various ways, shapes and forms, many of us in the form of retirement investments. But in terms of hitting the market and stocks directly as an investor, what is your advice to South African consumers?
My advice is to look at what you're doing, to invest in something you understand. Take some time to read. Take some time maybe to do an online course. There are numerous. South Africa is a wonderfully entrepreneurial society, and there are numerous trading schools that teach people to trade for a start. Understand how to do it. At CMTrading, we have weekly webinars, more than weekly webinars. At our website, we have education videos. Just go to CMTrading.com, and you can see. You can open an account there, invest, and start small. And whatever you do, do not believe promises from anyone, because investments come with risks. And anyone who tells you that they can make your money without any risk is going to steal your money. And people need to be aware of that. Invest somewhere where your money is safe and be responsible for your own money. It's critical.
Co-founder and director of CM Trading, Daniel Kibble, thank you for your time.
Thanks so much, Eddie.